a few broken ones. Might as well add it to the collection.
You know, with as much as these things strip, I feel like I should be throwing dollar bills at them.
I told you how much I hate these things. They suck.
After years of working on Jeeps, I've developed this method to remove them without stripping them. Well, most of the time. First, spray a little loose juice on there and let it soak in for a while. You will need a manual impact driver for this. So, give it a few good whacks and loosen it up a little bit. Now, give it some more loose juice. Then grab the longest wrench you have or breaker bar, because the more leverage you have, the better off you'll be. Now, slowly loosen it and apply more and more pressure as you go until it breaks free. Now you can just keep doing it manually, or if you have an impact, set it to the lowest setting and slowly loosen it. Now, if you have another method that works for you, please let me know. It would sure be helpful in the future.